Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Ask Your PDF in ChatGPT. So at first, just go to any browser. I'm using Chrome browser, and in the browser, you need to log in with your ChatGPT account. Now in the top left, here you can see there is a 2 dash icon. Click on it. Now in the bottom, here you will see your profile. Just click on it. Now here, if you are a ChatGPT 4 user, you will see something like this, settings and beta. Just click on it, and after that, in the beta features, you need to just turn on plugins and advanced data analysis. And after that, in the plugin store, you will see something like Ask Your PDF, and you need to just install it. You can also install Ask Your PDF Pro, and after that you can just use the link of your PDF, but you need to make sure that the link ends with .pdf, and after that you need to just click to upload it. So guys, that's how you can use Ask Your PDF in ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.